The SeekcomS1 supports guest device expansion. In standard mode, one host unit can simultaneously connect up to 4 guest units, meeting the real-time communication needs of small teams. To accommodate more participants in a call, use the dedicated SC60 Cascade extension cable to link any guest unit from the current system to a guest unit in another SeekcomS1 system. After Cascade extension, it supports up to 8 devices for simultaneous calls. This mode enables on-demand scalability and plug-and-play functionality, making it ideal for larger team communication scenarios. Preparation before use. Please prepare 2 sets of headset systems that have been paired, SC60 dedicated Cascade extension cable, and the guest Cascade extension mode. Ensure the guest device to be connected is powered off. Press and hold both the volume, plus and down, and power buttons on the guest simultaneously to enter Cascade extension mode. Once the device successfully enters Cascade extension mode, connect it via the SC60 cable.